Where are you from?
I am from Balochistan.
Balochistan.
Yes.
I'm going there in 2 weeks.
Yes, you will come and ziyarat and a very big hell and
A big hell?
Yeah.
Sounds very inviting.
Yes, because my English is very lish.
His English is very lish. So he's only English. There's no English.
I'm speaking Pashto.
Oh,
Sange jode takra pakhair.
Pakhair.
Jod takra.
Jod taka.
Khair khairiyat. Manzoor Pashto.
Garib
Sange,
tabare. Garib tabare.
ये means
Manzoor Pashto zindabad.
Zindabad.
Manzoor Pashto. Manzoor Pashto.
Manzoor Pashto.
no, don't say it. He's making you try something.
What is it?
Son halwa.
Sona halwa. Have you guys tried it?
Yes. You are from which country?
I'm from Balochistan.
Yeah, this is Balochistan.
He's like,
You're from Balochistan.
Okay, you want to try some? Have you
No,
tried
I
it?
am here twice.
What?
It's good.
Okay, this one you want to try this
Ah,
one? Okay. First time?
Yeah, no, I am ratlal karta hota.
Oh, you try it. It's nice?
Yeah, bardast.
Bardas.
Because the person was no half.
Zabardast.
Zarbardas. You guys want to try?
Oh,
And so it's made from milk?
the milk,
And nuts?
oil,
Oil.
in Pakanging.
अच्छा अभी इनको ना एक
Sange,
Sange.
Jode.
How are you?
Jode.
takrai,
Atakre.
pakhairi,
Pakhere.
pakhairale,
Pakherale.
pat tabazu.
Going to the zoo.
Yes, because this is also Paris. We are going to our country. I am also enjoy with this person. You are inside, just enjoy.
Just enjoy.
Yeah, just. But German and Pathan. Hey, one.